Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are doing well. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to read Unit 2, Earthquake. Now I'm going to read, you have to listen to me very carefully. I had barely walked a few dozen feet when I felt the ground shake under me. For a minute, I thought I was having a dizzy spell due to dehydration. Now, what's the meaning of dehydration? That's a reduction in the amount of water in the body. Because of the dryness and hotness, for weather was very hot and dry. I reached for my water bottle. However, when the ground continued to move, a thought came dashing into my mind, making my head throb and quiver with fear. Now, what is the meaning of head throb? Yes, the meaning of the head throb is when you develop a headache, blood rushes to the affected area to the head. And what is the meaning of quiver? Quiver means tremble, shake, or shiver in fear. Yes, I had no control over my limbs. My arms and legs seemed to be moving under some mysterious power of their own. Mysterious means impossible to understand, something that is strange and you're not getting it. So that's it. Suddenly, I realized it's an earthquake. Now, what you need to do is describe the feelings of Saranjan when he realized it's an earthquake. You can find the answer of this question in paragraph number 3. I don't know how I retraced my steps. It seemed like the longest trip I had ever made. The night was filled with cries of urgency and screams of fear. There were occasional thunderous roars as some of the nearby houses caved in and collapsed as if made of paper. What about my own house? Was that constant thought in my mind. Now, there is a question number 1 that you have to answer in the notebook. What was the constant thought that was running in Saranjan's mind? For that, you have to look at paragraph number 4 of this unit. Alright? Now, that's all for today, students. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.